In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in Hubspot. Whether you're a marketing professional or just dipping your toes into email marketing, this guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's official homepage. Simply type in HubSpot in the search bar and it should be one of the top results. Once you are on their homepage, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll be on your way to accessing the HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your main hub where you can access various tools and features that HubSpot offers. To start working on an email campaign, we'll want to focus on the marketing section. You'll find this by looking at the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Email. This will take you to HubSpot's email marketing tool. Once you're in the email section, you should see a Create Email button. It's prominently displayed to encourage you to dive right in. Click it and you'll be prompted to choose from different types of email campaigns. HubSpot is great for making emails visually appealing because they offer customizable templates. So let's select Create a beautiful personalized email and send it to a segment of your contacts. Proceed by clicking Next. This will lead you to the template selection page. You might feel a bit overwhelmed with the options, but take your time to browse through them. Choose the one that best fits your brand's aesthetics and meets the campaign's objectives. Once you make your choice, you're ready to shape your message. After selecting a template, you can click Edit to open the email editor. Here's where you'll add in your content. This includes your subject line, images, text, and any links you deem fit. HubSpot's drag and drop functionality makes designing easy, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. Now that your email is designed to perfection, it's time to configure the settings. Look for the settings option within the email editor. In this section, you can specify sender details like from name and email address, and preview your email to make sure everything looks as good as anticipated. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, navigate to the Send or Schedule option. This gives you the flexibility to either send your email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time that aligns with your marketing strategy. Following these steps carefully ensures that you set up an email campaign in HubSpot efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy emailing.